The US asked Iran to stop enriching uranium and return to the nuclear deal. Houthi arrests alleged plotters to oust president. In India, at least 14 people have died and 170 went missing after a piece of Himalaya glacier fell into a river. In Myanmar, tens of thousands of people have joined the third day nationwide. UN urges India to protect the right of peaceful assembly concerning ongoing farmer protest. PM directs to emphasis on reducing the burden of indirect taxes on masses.